JSX, JavaScript XML, is a syntax extension for JavaScript that is commonly used in React to describe the UI. It looks similar to HTML but comes with the full power of JavaScript, enabling developers to embed dynamic content within their UI in a concise and readable manner. JSX gets compiled to React.createElement calls, which ultimately generate the DOM elements that React renders to the page. Key features of JSX. HTML-like syntax. JSX allows you to write HTML-like code within your JavaScript, making the structure of UI components more intuitive. JavaScript inside JSX. You can embed JavaScript expressions inside JSX by enclosing them in curly braces. JSX must be wrapped in a single parent element. When returning multiple elements in JSX, they must be wrapped in a single parent element, like a div or fragment. JSX elements are transpiled. JSX is not valid JavaScript, but React's build tools, like Babel, automatically transpile JSX into plain JavaScript using React.createElement. JSX example. Import React from React. Function myComponent. Const name equals React. Const greeting equals h1 hello, name, /h1. Return. Div. Greeting. P. This is a paragraph inside a React component /p. /div. Export default myComponent. JSX expressions. You can insert JavaScript expressions directly in JSX using curly braces. Example. Function greeting. Const is logged in equals true. Return. Div. Is logged in. h1 welcome back, /h1, h1 please sign up /h1. /div. In this example, the JSX conditionally renders different content based on the isLoggedIn variable. JSX and attributes. You can pass attributes to JSX elements just like HTML attributes, but in camel case format. Example. Function avatar. Return imgsrc equals avatar.jpg alt equals profile picture class name equals avatar /. Differences from HTML. Class becomes class name. In JSX, you use class name instead of class because class is a reserved keyword in JavaScript. Self-closing tags. If a tag has no children, you must close it with a /. Example img/ or br/. JSX with JavaScript functions. You can call JavaScript functions directly within JSX. Example. Function getGreeting, user. If, user. Return h1 hello, user.name, /h1. Return h1 hello, stranger, /h1. Function app. Const user equals name, John. Return. Div. GetGreeting, user. /div. JSX fragment. A React fragment, / allows you to group multiple elements without adding an extra node to the DOM. Example. Function fragment example. Return. h1 title /h1. P. This is a description /p. /. In this case, no additional wrapping div is added to the DOM, just the h1 and p. JSX with events. JSX can also handle events like onClick, onChange, etc., and you pass in JavaScript functions as event handlers. Example. Function button. Const handle click equals alert, button clicked. Return button onClick equals handle click me /button. Conclusion. JSX makes it much easier to visualize the structure of a React component's output, resembling HTML, while maintaining the full flexibility of JavaScript. It's a powerful tool that simplifies writing React components, making the UI code more readable and manageable.